If you're trying to change the notification sound on your Messenger app, then you're watching the right video, because I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to do to successfully change the notification. Whether you're trying to change the call notification or the message notification, you can change both of them. So for that, open up your Messenger app and tap on the three lines on the top left. From here, tap on the gear icon on the top right. And under preferences, you'll be able to see an option called notifications and sounds. You can tap on this option and tap on the ringtone for the call notification. By default, the Messenger would be selected. Now you can select all of these ringtones that you can add in as your default ringtone for your Messenger. So just tap on any one of them and the ringtone will be added. You can also change the notification sound for the chats by tapping on customize notifications. This way it's going to take you to the settings of your device and tap on the sound option that you see. Once you tap on it, it's going to open up your file manager, or in the case of Redmi phones, it's going to open up the separate application from where you can set in various types of ringtones. So just pick the ringtone and the ringtone will be immediately added as your message notification. So that's how easily you can change notification sound on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in more videos just like this, be sure to hit that notification bell. That's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.